Hi, my name is Megan Rafferty, and this will be my 13th year teaching. I have a master's degree in special education and elementary education, and I also have an English as a second language certification. I have taught in classrooms spanning co-taught classrooms, as well as resource classrooms and self-contained classrooms. So across the gamut from kindergarten all the way up to 5th grade, and I am so excited to be working at Dailies with your student. I really enjoy hands-on learning. I like to get kids up and moving. I'm very high energy, and I love to meet my kids where they're at. I also have a special place in my heart for nature-based learning and outdoor learning, so if you have an outdoorsy kid, I would love to incorporate some of those elements into my lessons for you. And I look forward to seeing you on Dailies. Thanks!